Okay. Now once again. Imana, imana. And the answer is going to be halabalaga oh. Halabalaga oh. Let's start. Okay. Are you learning? Let's do it again. You say the song is very, very old, more than 300 years old. Oh, 200, 300. Very good. We have a lot of very old songs. That's what I do. Right? Short stories, old songs in the community. You say, Imana, Imana. The answer, Halabalagai. And again, Imana, Imana, Halabalagai.
You guys say.
How you say?
You guys say and they answer.
They answer. It's a call and answer. Call and answer. Powerful response. Thank you. The rhythm go like this. You feel it? We're about to start. Imana, Imana, halabalaga Imana, Imana, halabalaga Imana, Imana, halabalaga Imana, Imana, halabalaga halabalaga ay 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 halabalaga halabalaga ay 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 halabalaga You got it?
Yes.
Okay, let's practice again.